north-northeast. Rain now heading into Elkton through Central City up toward Beaver Dam, and that will be knocking at the door of Bowling Green within the next couple of hours or so. And it will be just this evening. We won't be dealing with the wintry side of the system until tomorrow morning first thing. 68 was our high today, only 2 shy of the all-time record set a couple of years ago, actually 5 years ago in 2013. 56 was a low this morning, quite mild there too. There's a live view of busy Scottsville Road, our AAA Systems webcam with a lot of traffic there. You're heading out and about running some errands this evening. Take along the umbrella. It's not raining now, but it could be within the next couple of hours. Cloudy skies. It's mild at the moment, 65 degrees. Feels like an April evening outside with a south wind at 7. That wind, though, will turn around, become northwesterly, and send back Arctic air for Friday. 59 in Greenville. Rain coming down there at a pretty good clip right now. And that surge of warmth extends all the way up to the Great Lakes, where it's 52 now in Detroit, near 60 in Cleveland. But look out. We go back to 29 in St. Louis, where the temperature tumbled there over 30 degrees in less than 90 minutes as that Arctic front came through a short time ago. 11 in Des Moines, 5 in Sioux Falls. That Arctic air is on the move, and it will arrive here first thing tomorrow morning. Surge of moisture and warmth out ahead of that system is sending rain as far north as Alpena, Michigan tonight, and down into Arkansas as well. That rain will pick up in intensity and coverage around our area the next few hours before we see it go over to freezing rain, sleet, and then snow with that colder air on the move for Friday morning. So let's walk you through hour by hour here on Future Max. Again, it's just plain old rain for this evening. Some of it heavy at times. Temperature staying mild through midnight. And then notice that transition to freezing rain and sleet back here in the pink across southern Illinois, far west Kentucky, Paducah already getting into it by midnight tonight. And we're going to watch that transition zone work eastward along with the colder air. And by daybreak, we should be around, if not just below freezing in Bowling Green. So that's when we'll start to see some glazing of outdoor objects and surfaces. Roadways may be okay initially tomorrow morning, but I think we'll start to see some problems develop with those too as we drop into the upper 20s during the day. Freezing rain then goes over to snow, and that should happen around or just after midday tomorrow. Snow could come down pretty heavily at times tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Some accumulation likely out of that before it all moves out of here by early Saturday morning. Ice amounts, and this is a concern here, anywhere from 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch of ice, and that's going to weigh down on trees and power lines. And with winds picking up tomorrow, scattered power outages cannot be ruled out with this event. And then there's the snowy side of this too. We're going to see that change over to snow tomorrow afternoon. One in-house model depicting anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches worth of snow across much of our area. And I like that call right now. Our latest update here shows most of the viewing area picking up anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snow on top of 1/4 of an inch of ice tomorrow through tomorrow night. That will make for hazardous travel, lesser snow amounts as you go off to the south and to the east of 1 to 2 inches there. So what to expect for tomorrow? Rain goes over to freezing rain and sleet around daybreak, falling temperatures there. And we'll see that transition from snow from west to east tomorrow afternoon. Travel will only become more hazardous as the day wears on, with winds gusting to 30 miles an hour tomorrow night, possibly resulting in some scattered power outages. Tonight, rain changing to freezing rain by daybreak with a low around 32, and then readings slipping into the upper 20s during the day tomorrow as that wintry mix goes over to all snow tomorrow afternoon, expecting 2 to 4 inches of snow accumulation right now by tomorrow night. When it ends, we'll drop to 19 for a low, and then cold over the weekend with highs in the 20s, lows down to 10 above Saturday. So, Gene, whatever falls and sticks, it's going to hang around, not just through the weekend, but I think well into next week. There's even another shot for light snow in here on Martin Luther King Day, Monday, but we'll burn that bridge when we get there.
Yeah, that's right. One step at a time.
Exactly.
All right, thanks, Shane. Well, the Hilltoppers are in for a test tonight, but if Mustafa has any kind of a game like Josh Anderson did when he played for the first time with him last week, this could be fun.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Josh, not only did he play well, but also he elevated the other guys and really gave them some extra